All right, so let's talk. I want to discuss the unfortunate culture the cannabis industry is in right now. So, despite all of the natural healing properties of the plant and the potential to rectify the government's wrongdoings, all of their wrongdoings, why is there still a stigma associated with this plant? Now, we can blame people on an individual basis in the manner that they use cannabis, but I want to talk about the ones who control the industry, MSOs or multi-state operators. And they are cannabis-related businesses that operate in multiple states within the US. They're normally large and they're normally well funded and give off the energy